morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you all, beta? All are well and fine at home? Okay, so how is your day? Today, beta? And how was your lecture before recess?
Ma'am.
Everyone is ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Selling on your video. Ready for the guiding?
Study on a joint. Om Bhuswaha Tapatur Padina Pargodi Vasya Prachodaya Om Bhuswaha Tapatur Padinam Pargodi Vasya
Okay, join your hands.
Prachodaya Om Bhuswaha Tapatur Padinam Pargodi Vasya Good morning, ma'am. Yo Namah Prachodaya Om Bhurabhuvah Swasthavarenyam Bhargovadevasya Dhimahi Yo Namah Prachodaya Om Bhurabhuvah Swasthavarenyam Bhargovadevasya Dhimahi Yo Namah Prachodaya.
Done, beta. Now rub your head. Save on your eyes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now everyone is ready for exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now hold it here. Pull it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every feet. Okay. Now, okay, beta. Okay, now turn off your video. Okay, now here is thought of the day given by Mahi Seta. It's a do what is right, not what is easy. Okay, we should always do that thing which is correct or right. Okay, we should not do that what is easy. It is not necessary कि easy thing ही correct होगा. Okay, we should do only correct thing. We should not choose the easy way. Okay, so this is our thought of the day given by the Mahi Seta. Okay. Okay, beta, now keep your thoughts for the next lecture. Okay, many students are giving very nice thoughts, but please keep it for tomorrow. Okay, Yana, I will share your thought tomorrow. Okay, you have to give again tomorrow this thought. Okay, beta, tomorrow is turn of Yana. Okay, so now What will we do today, everyone? As you know, we have completed our both chapter, explanation of both the chapter, and you have completed notebook also. Everyone completed the notebook? Question and answer? Okay. So, we will start worksheet from tomorrow. Okay. Everyone, you have to ready with your worksheet tomorrow. Today I am going to take the doubt solving session of chapter 1 and 2. Okay. Firstly, I will ask you the doubts from chapter number 2, then chapter number 1. Okay. Today is the doubt solving session of chapter number 2 and 1. Then from tomorrow, we will start worksheet of chapter number 1. We will do the worksheet of chapter number 1. And one thing more, you have to purchase a world physical map. Okay. At least 10 physical maps of world, 10 physical maps of India, and 10 physical political maps of India you have to purchase. We will do the map activity also from chapter number 2 on Wednesday. Okay. So you have to purchase your map for map activity. Okay, beta. Tomorrow we will do the worksheet of chapter 1. Okay. And Wednesday we will firstly do the map activity of chapter 2. Then we will do the worksheet of chapter 2. So you have to purchase, everyone. Okay. बेटा एटलीस्ट अभी हमें बहुत सारे मैप एक्टिविटी करने होंगे, तो आप बार बार परचेज करने ना जाओ. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू टू परचेज 10 मैप. 10 मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड फिजिकल मैप, 10 मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल मैप, एंड 10 मैप ऑफ इंडिया पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल. इंडिया पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल के 10 मैप एंड वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल 10 मैप. But beta, we will do on Wednesday. Okay? Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry beta. Shop अगर closed है, so don't worry. It is for Wednesday. Okay? अगर Wednesday तक shop open नहीं होती, then I will extend the map activity date. Okay? Okay beta. Okay, so now everyone open your chapter number 2. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Chapter number 2. Everyone, listen. Have you any doubt in chapter number 2? Okay, Dhruvil, you have a doubt. What is your doubt, beta Dhruvil? Dhruvil has a doubt. Just a minute. Dhruvil, just a minute, beta. Okay, Dhruvil, you have a doubt in chapter number 1. I'm asking about the chapter number 2, beta. Firstly, we will do the chapter number 2. Then we'll go on chapter number 1. Chapter number 2, thematic map. Okay. So, I'm going to share you the screen. Okay. Beta, write your questions of doubt related to chapter number 2. Related to chapter number 2, write your doubts. Once I will see your doubt, then I will give you the common information about your doubts. कभी कभी सेम डाउट्स होते हैं, बट स्टूडेंट्स आस्किंग मी individually. Australia you cannot understand. Okay, I will again repeat it. Mark, what is your doubt? Mark, what is your doubt, beta? Then I will go through it. No, continents don't have a capital. Only countries have a capital. Okay, I will explain you in the Europe part. I will again explain you Europe. Okay, Mahi? Netri, what is your doubt, beta? Right here. Same doubt like Mahi Sheta. Australia. Okay, beta. So listen again. I'm going to explain you the whole chapter again. Okay, shortcut में वापस. Okay, so your doubt will be solved. Just a minute. Busiest means जो बहुत ज़्यादा busy होता है, व्यस्त, जो खाली नहीं रहता कभी भी. Okay, let's see chapter number 2. Again, I'm going to explain you. Don't worry if you have any doubt. Listen, beta. Some student has a doubt in map, types of map, and some student have a doubt in continent. Okay, so I'm going to explain you in short. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to again explain you about the maps. Okay, we have 3 types of map. As you have learned, we have 3 types of map. First is physical map. Okay, so what is called the physical map? A map which shows different types of land of any country, any continent, known as the physical map. In physical map, which are the topics show that types of land like mountain, plateau, desert, plains, and the water on the surface like rivers, sea, oceans. These are called these are the topics of physical maps. Physical maps means land feature. A map which shows the different type of land features of a particular country or continent known as the physical map. Okay. And it doesn't mean कि physical map सिर्फ country या continent का होता है. We can say we can also show the physical features of states and other small areas. Okay. So this is called the physical map. A map which contains or shows the mountain, plateau, desert, plains and rivers are known as the physical map. Like this map is showing the physical features of India. That India has mountain surface in the north and it has plateau region in the middle here. Okay, and it has desert here. In the west side, here is desert in India, and the rivers, these blue lines, sky blue lines, all the sky blue lines are showing you the rivers in India. That where are these rivers flowing, you can see on the physical map. Okay, so this is called the physical map. Now we have second map known as the political map. Political map shows the political division of the world. Okay, political division of the world. Now what is the political division of the world? Political division of the world is called continent. Political division of the world is called continent. Okay, our world is divided into 7 continents. Okay, this is called the world political division. And again, all the continents are further divided into countries. So this is called the political division of continent. Okay, and further countries are divided into states. So this is called the political division of a particular countries. Okay, and again states are divided into districts. So this is called the political division of a particular countries, particular states. Okay, so these are known as the political division. World political division is continent. Continent political division is called countries, and countries political division is called states, and states political division is called districts. And again, districts is also divided into talukas, towns or villages. Okay, so these are the form of political division. So political map shows such a division known as political division. Okay, now you can see this map is of India country, and this map is showing the division of states. Political division of India, and political division of India is in the form of states and union territories. Okay, now we have thematic map. Now what is called thematic map? Thematic maps are those maps which shows a particular topic like rainfall, population, roads, railways, minerals, crops, transportations, okay, etc. These are called thematic maps. For example, in your 4th standard, you completed the map activity about the transport, means of transport, in which you shows the important airport of India, the important seaports of India. So ये जो map आपने किए, all maps are known as thematic map because those are showing the particular topics and information about the particular and specific topics. Okay, and you have also completed map about the coal field of India in your 4th standard. तो कोल फील्ड ऑफ इंडिया भी एक थीमेटिक मैप था विच इज डिपेंड ऑन द मिनरल्स. एज यू नो, आवर कोल फील्ड, कोल्स आर ऑल्सो अ मिनरल्स. ओके, सो that was the thematic map about the minerals, coal field of India. Okay, so here is given the example of rainfall. In this map is showing you the rainfall, distribution of rain annually in India. Okay, so these colors are given in reference boxes, which shows you that where India receives how many rains annually. Okay, so I have explained you earlier that this purple blue color, this dark blue color is showing you over 200 centimeters. जहाँ भी इंडिया में ये dark blue color है, just a minute, I don't have a dark blue color, so I'm showing in black, but it is given in blue color over 200 centimeters. See, here is dark blue color, here is dark blue color, and this point is dark blue color, and also here, and also here. So जहाँ जहाँ मैंने black dot किए हैं, these areas are showing you the rain over 200 centimeters. Okay, and now here is 100 to 200 centimeters. This portion showing you the rainfall 100 to 200 centimeters. And this, now this area is showing you the rainfall between 60 to 200 centimeters. Okay, and these pink areas are showing you the rainfall under 60 centimeters. So under 60 centimeter में जो areas हैं, those are very dry area. They receive very little amount of rainfall annually in the India. So इसी तरीके से हम कहीं भी crops दिखा जा सकते हैं. Coal field यानी minerals, as you know, minerals in coal field we have in here We have coal mines in India in Bihar. Here is Bihar and Jharkhand. Then here is Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, these are the important coal fields of India. Okay, so this is called the thematic map. Now you have any doubt in map? 3 types of map. Anyone have a doubt in 3 types of map? It is Africa. Africa divided into 2 parts by the equator. Yes, Yashvi. No doubt in a map. 3 types of map. Everyone clear it now? Okay, now we will do the continent. Okay, if you have any doubt, it will clear now. So we have 7 continents. As you know, our earth has only 29% land. Okay, and these 29% lands are not equally. जैसे circle में एक साथ पूरा land दिख रहा है. Actually, we don't have a land together. We have 7. We have these land in 7 pieces. We have these 29% of land in 7 pieces. 7 big pieces of land. Okay, and these 7 big pieces of land known as the 7 continents in the world. Okay, so we have 7 continents in the world. Here is first is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Okay, and it has the most populous countries like China and India, and Asia has the world largest mountain. The world highest mountain known as the Himalaya, and Himalaya separate India from the rest part of Asia. ओके यहाँ पर जो मैंने ब्लैक किया यहाँ हिमालय है, जिसकी वजह से ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया एशिया से अलग हो गया है. ओके, एंड नाउ वी हैव अ सेकंड कॉन्टिनेंट, अफ्रीका. Africa is our second largest continent in the world. It means the second largest big pieces of land in the world. Okay, it is its continent is divided by tropics and equator, and also the 0° latitude. You can see clearly. Here is 0° latitude. This line is 0° latitude. It means equator. Equator divided Africa into 2 equal parts. Okay, and here is in this blue color. Here is 23.5° south latitudes. It means Tropic of Capricorn, and this is 23.5° north latitude. It means Tropic of Cancer. It means Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so these 3 latitudes divided Africa these three latitude also passing through the Africa. Which 3 latitudes? 0° equator, 23.5° north Tropic of Cancer, 23.5° south Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and equator divided it into 2 equal parts. Okay, but 0° longitude also passes through the Africa from here. Okay, 0° latitude, longitude. 0° longitude also passes through the Africa, which is also known as the prime meridian. Okay, and longitude also. And this continent is also known as the Africa is also known as the dark continent, because till 19th century, many part of Africa was unknown for the world. Okay, that's why Africa is known as the dark continent. It has thick forest. Okay, and the world largest river known as the Nile River. Now we have third big land piece or continent known as the North America. Okay, we have North America as a third continent. And now how is the North America? See, North America, the third continent, it was discovered in 15th century. इसे 15th century में discovered किया गया था. Now here is 21st century, 21st century. So before 600 years ago. Okay, before 600 years ago, it was discovered. Okay, and the Rocky Mountains, it's come in the northern hemisphere. You can see here is the 0 degree latitude, and North America is in the north side of 0 degree latitude, so it is in northern hemisphere. Okay, and Asia continent is also in northern hemisphere, and Africa is in both south and northern. Okay, because equator is dividing it into two equal parts. The bottom of the equator is southern hemisphere, and the upper part of the equator is northern hemisphere. Okay, so now the Rocky Mountain. Where is the Rocky Mountain in North America? Here, in the western coast. Here, in the western coast, it has Rocky Mountain. Okay, along the coast of North America. Now we have South America. South America, you are seeing in purple color. It is the fourth largest continent. It is in both hemispheres. It is in both hemispheres. You can see clearly here. 0 degree latitude. This is 0 degree latitude, and a few part of South Africa is in the north side of the 0 degree, and the rest of are in the south side of the 0 degree latitude. So South Africa is in both hemispheres, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Okay, and Brazil is the largest country of South America. It is also known as the Latin America. Okay, and the Andes Mountain. Where is Andes Mountain? Andes Mountains are here. Andes Mountains are the largest mountain in the world. Okay, Himalaya is the highest mountain, and Andes Mountain is the largest mountain. Okay, now we have Antarctica. Antarctica, you can see Antarctica here. This is Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent which remains covered with ice throughout the year. It is in the southern hemisphere on the south pole. So that's the reason it is always covered with snow. That's why it is also known as the white continent. क्योंकि snow कैसी होती है? White होती है, और ये हमेशा white snow से covered होता है. That's why it is oftenly known as the white continent. Okay. Now next is Europe. Now Europe is here. Europe is the sixth largest continent. Okay, and here is Great Britain. Great Britain is the country of Europe. Okay, which is separated by the English Channel. Here is English Channel. ये जो वाटर बॉडी है इसके बीच में जो गैप दिख रहा है आपको, ये जो गैप है यहाँ पर इंग्लिश चैनल और यहाँ मेनलैंड के बीच में, दिस ग्रेट ब्रिटेन और यूरोप के बीच में, दिस इज कॉल्ड इंग्लिश चैनल. इंग्लिश चैनल separated. English Channel is the name of water body Okay, it's separated the Great Britain from the rest Europe. Okay, and Europe is known as the most developed continent. अब यूरोप को डेवलप्ड कॉन्टिनेंट क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि बहुत सारी कंट्रीज लाइक ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस एंड अदर आर वेरी डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज एंड दीज आर इन यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट. तो इन कंट्रीज की वजह से ही यूरोप को मोस्ट डेवलप्ड कॉन्टिनेंट कहा जाता है. जैसे एशिया को मोस्ट पॉपुलस कॉन्टिनेंट चाइना की वजह से कहा जाता है, वैसे ही फ्रांस, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन ये यहाँ के बहुत ही डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, जो कि बहुत ही डेवलप कर चुके हैं हर चीज में, एजुकेशन में, टेक्नोलॉजी में, एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो दैट्स अ रीजन दैट यूरोप इज नॉन एज द डेवलप्ड continent. Okay, and after that we have Australia. As you are seeing that Australia is surrounded by water on all sides. Australia is surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, that's why it is also known as the island continent. एक ऐसा लैंड जो चारों तरफ से बिग वाटर बॉडीज से सराउंडेड है, उसे आइलैंड कहा जाता है. एंड इस ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज पार्ट ऑफ 7 pieces of land, but it is the smallest in all 7 big pieces of the land surface. Okay, that's why it is known as the smallest continent of the world. It is also known as the island continent because it is surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, and one country also named as Australia in this continent. Okay, Australia is also known as the Oz. इसे Oz भी कहा जाता है. Oz means magical. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को मैजिकल कॉन्टिनेंट कहा जाता है कि इसका नाम भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया है कॉन्टिनेंट का, यहाँ पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया नाम की कंट्री भी है, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट. ओके, एंड इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1707. okay, and I also gave the name of the person, the captain who which discovered it. Okay, so we have completed all the continents. Have you any doubt till here? Now have you any doubt in this? Now have you doubt in this, beta? Beta, Korea is located here. I'm showing you. Just a minute. I'm showing you the map. Here is Korea. Okay, you will do it. I will also give you the map activity of about the North Korea and South Korea and where is the Japan. So you will do it. This here is Japan, this is Japan, and here is Korea, North Korea and South Korea. Okay. Now we will do chapter number 1. Have you any doubt in chapter number 1? यस सिया, आपको वो स्टेशनरी से कलेक्ट करना है. अगर स्टेशनरी खुली हुई है तो आपको वो मैप्स खरीद के लाना है, फिर आपको मैप एक्टिविटी भी करना है. ओके, यस बेटा. एनी लैंड माही, एनी लैंड विच इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर, लेकिन वाटर कैसे? बिग वाटर बॉडीज लाइक सी एंड ओशन नॉन एज द आइलैंड. बेटा इंडिया और वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल मैप, इंडिया और वर्ल्ड मैप लाना है आपको, दोनों, इंडिया के पॉलिटिकल और फिजिकल दोनों मैप, और इंडिया के और वर्ल्ड के पॉलिटिकल और फिजिकल मैप दोनों. यस, इट इज ऑल्सो आइलैंड. आइलैंड भी कहा जाता है इसको, एक ऐसा लैंड जो, आइलैंड का मतलब एक ऐसा लैंड जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हो, बिग वाटर बॉडी से. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो अ बिग पीस ऑफ द लैंड, बट इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पीस ऑफ द 7 लैंड विच वी हैव. ओके, नो बेटा, अभी टाइम नहीं हुआ. Have you any doubt in chapter 1? Have you any doubt in chapter 1, beta? See, a map name is beta India political and physical, world political and physical. Everyone is clear about chapter number 1. So I'm going to ask you the question from chapter number 1. If you don't have a doubt, okay, if you don't have a doubt, Netri, what is your doubt, beta? Right here very fast. Dharmjeet, what is your doubt? Just a minute, beta. Yes, Dharam. Okay, just a minute. It's a Dharamjeet Singh Jala. Okay, Dharamjeet Singh Jala, बेटा.
मैम जब आपने चैप्टर 1 करवाया तब मैं नहीं था.
आप नहीं थे तो बेटा आप रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना. ओके. और कल हम वर्कशीट करेंगे ना, वर्कशीट करेंगे तब भी मैं आपको समझा के करूंगी. ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट.
मैम मैंने अभी तक बुक्स नहीं ली है.
बेटा बुक्स तो ले लेना है ना अभी आपको. बिना बुक के कैसे समझ में आएगा? यू आर नॉट इन मोरबी?
यस.
ओके बेटा. Okay, so I'm going to ask the question from chapter number 1. If you don't have any doubt, okay. Beta, off your video and sit properly. So question is, what are latitudes and longitudes? What are latitudes and longitudes? What are latitudes and longitudes? मिहिर पोपट, what is your doubt बेटा? अभी कोई नहीं बोल रहा था डाउट्स के बारे में. मिहिर पोपट, जस्ट अ मिनट. यस बेटा.
Longitudes and Greenland. Latitudes are horizontal circles. Longitudes
बेटा
are
आंसर. मैंने डाउट्स पूछा है मिहिर. व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
मैम ग्रीनलैंड यूरोप का पार्ट है.
मिहिर, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा? मिहिर.
कहीं अनम्यूट कहीं है. अरे कर डाला ना.
मैम ग्रीनलैंड यूरोप का पार्ट है.
यस बेटा, ग्रीनलैंड के बारे में आप चैप्टर नंबर 6 में पढ़ोगे. ओके. हु इज?
थैंक यू मैम.
वेलकम बेटा. नव्या, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? नव्या, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? यस.
एक मिनट मैम. एक मिनट मैम. मुझे ना चैप्टर 1 में पोल्स वाला मैंने समझ में नहीं आ रहा. POLE.
ओके बेटा, पोल्स. पोल्स क्या है? जो ऊपर अर्थ के ऊपर का जो फ्लैट पार्ट है. बेटा ऑफ योर वीडियो. अर्थ का जो टॉप पार्ट है, यू कैन सी हियर, आई एम शोइंग यू, जस्ट अ मिनट। बेटा
मैम आई एम नॉट इनवर्टेड।
वीडियो बेटा, जिया दर्शना ऑफ योर वीडियो, धर्मजीत ऑल्सो, धर्मजीत, see beta, this point is called poles. We have 2 points on our earth which are flat, okay, and these points are called poles. Upper points are called north pole and the bottom is called south pole, okay. You can see here, it is written here north pole and south pole, okay, and these are the latitudes. These are in circle shape running on a globe, okay, but we draw it on a flat surface, we see it in a parallel line.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Okay. Okay, और मैम
yes,
नाम लिख दूंगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, और मैप लाने मैप के नाम लिख दोगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जो लाने।
यू कैन राइट, आपको इंडिया का पॉलिटिकल और फिजिकल मैप लेना है और वर्ल्ड का पॉलिटिकल और फिजिकल मैप लेना है। राइट नाउ, राइट इट नाउ योर नोटबुक, इन योर नोटबुक।
मैम
इंडिया पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल मैप।
हेलो मैम।
यस, हु इज? Everyone is saying just a minute. Write in chat box beta. Dharamjeet beta, off your video. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary line, correct. Now next question is, how many latitudes we have in the north and in south? How many latitudes we have in north and south? Yes, 19 both. 19 north, 19 south. Okay. Now, what is the name of 23.5 degree north latitude? What is the name of 23.5 degree north latitude? Navya, write your doubt बेटा, आपको क्या डाउट है वो आप यहाँ पर लिखो. Write in chat box. बेटा तो आप जब मैं वर्कशीट करवाऊंगी, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन नोटबुक, ओके? Yes, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. Who wrote Arctic Circle? It's wrong, beta. 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Now, what is called 66.5 degree south latitude? 66.5 degree south latitude. What is called 66.5 degree south latitude? Yes, Antarctic Circle. Correct answer. बेटा आपको इंडिया पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल मैप और वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल मैप लेना है। यस, अंटार्कटिक सर्कल इज करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, डन। Okay, now what is the name of 0 degree longitude? What is the another name of 0 degree longitude? What is the name of 0 degree longitude? Another name of 0 degree longitude. Okay, Greenwich. No, equator is wrong, beta. I am asking about the longitude. Longitude. It's a Greenwich or prime meridian. बेटा आपको ये खरीद के रख लेना है, जब भी आपकी स्टेशनरीज खुल जाएंगी। वी विल डू दिस एक्टिविटी ऑन वेंसडे। वेंसडे को करेंगे या फिर थर्सडे को करेंगे, तब तक स्टेशनरीज ओपन हो जाएंगी शायद। अदरवाइज I will send you the PDF of map, then you have to take the print. Okay, Greenwich. Okay, prime meridian or Greenwich is the name of 0 degree longitude. Okay, now next question is beta. Next question is how many longitudes we have? Total how many longitudes we have? $360 beta, it's 360. Okay, now everyone listen beta, I'm writing the name of the map in chat box. Okay, everyone, I'm writing the name of the map. You have to write from here. India political and physical map. Okay, and then next is world political. And physical map. Yana, what happened beta? Yes beta.
मैम जो प्रिंट होगी वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट चलेगी?
चलेगी बेटा,
ओके मैम।
लेकिन शायद वेंसडे, लिसन बेटा, वेंसडे और थर्सडे तक में भी शायद स्टेशनरीज खुल जाए। ओके, अगर नहीं खुलती है देन आई विल सी what we have to do. I will send you or I will extend the date of the map activity. Okay,
मैम मैं ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट क्यों पूछ रही, क्योंकि मेरे घर प्रिंटर है तो मैं निकाल सकती हूँ इसीलिए।
यस बेटा चलेगा, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट इज विल आल्सो वी कैन यूज इट। ओके बेटा,
थैंक यू,
वेलकम बेटा। सो नाउ एवरीवन, it's okay beta then, but I will show you the map activity on your lecture. Beta I have to take attendance, nobody will leave. Okay, मैं मैप एक्टिविटी लेक्चर में आपको करवा दूंगी, जब भी आपके पास मैप होगा यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट। ओके, so now tomorrow we will do the worksheet of chapter 1, so you have to ready with your worksheet tomorrow for chapter 1. Okay, I am taking your attendance, just a minute beta. Okay. So now I have taken your attendance. So now everyone, take care. Goodbye.
Take care. Goodbye, ma'am.